So my name is Tigo Luiten. I'm the founder of Dapper, the growth agency, and we're one of the leading growth agencies here in Europe. We help companies grow online to the growth hacking methodology. And with respect to the GetHired project, GetHired is an app that we developed a couple years ago, 2020 or begin 2021, which was an app that facilitated the matchmaking between companies with low threshold jobs and young people seeking low threshold jobs. So we had a very extensive search for the perfect partner to help us develop the app. We looked at freelancers, we looked at agencies in the Netherlands, agencies worldwide. We talked to a bunch of them. Eventually, why we chose to work with Lizard Global is because we felt like they were true partners to us. So we already noticed this all the way at the beginning. We only came there with a concept, an initial concept, an idea of what kind of problem we wanted to solve and how we wanted to solve it, kind of. But they felt like they wanted to partner up with us as a team to start this business together. It didn't feel like we just created a brief and somebody else executed it. They helped us all the way from concepting to design thinking to the UX UI and partnered up with us from start to finish. So yeah, the reason mainly why we partnered up with Lizard Global is because they really felt like a partner in creating this app. So in the market, we saw that there were a lot of young people searching for jobs, and there were a lot of companies searching for low threshold job applicants. And we saw that there was a big gap in the matchmaking there. So we decided to create an app to facilitate this matchmaking process. So when we came to Lizard Global, we only had an idea, right? We had a problem that we wanted to solve and an idea of how to solve it. So together we sat down and we did the whole conceptualization. After that, we went on to design thinking, UX UI, and the actual development of the app. And of course, this is a quite long process, but we worked in sprints where we defined the main priorities every single week. And this allowed us to be very agile and define what was most important at any given moment. And right now what we have is something that we can all be extremely proud of, both Dapper and Lizard Global. We have an app that is extremely intuitive, very simple to use, and I always say, if it's simple and intuitive, more work and more thought has gone into it. So what exceeded my expectations? I think a couple of things. First of all, communication. It really feels like we're a team, so they're extremely responsive, they're extremely helpful, but also just simply the fact that they have very, very high quality people working at the company. So we're talking about highly skilled strategists, highly skilled designers, highly skilled developers. So all in all, I'm very, very satisfied. Whew, that's a good one. I would say first class.